only about question solving. So you have written the reason for difference. Yes, you have written the format also. Yes, Kashka.
Hello?
Yes, I was saying that you have written the format of bank reconciliation statement.
Yeah.
Okay. And you have also written the reason for difference.
Yeah.
Okay. So question can start with any of the balance. Either it is debit balance as per cash book, or it is credit balance as per passbook. Again, it can be credit balance as per cash book, or it can be debit balance as per passbook. So these are the starting.
Okay.
Now these two are positive one. These two are negative one. So we have discussed in our previous class this positive one, starting with cash book balance. Oh, sorry, passbook balance. Yes.
Yes.
So if I give you a question right now, can you solve it?
Yeah.
Okay. Because before going to any other topic, first we should solve a small question. Okay. So this is the question. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Which question in this we have solved?
Uh,
The
I
question number 12, I think.
yeah, we solved that.
Okay. So solve this one. Question number 11.
I guess this was my homework.
Yes, that's why I am sharing this.
Okay.
So that you can solve any one question from the related topic that we have already covered. We have solved the question of that. So
Okay.
this question. So solve it in proper format, and if it is possible, then send me the pic.
Okay. And the homework I will send.
Right now you can send the pic after solving,
Okay.
if it is possible. Otherwise, I can verbally check the solution.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so start. Hello, Abdullah. Good evening.
Hello, good evening, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Sir, I can't hear your voice. Like, your voice isn't audible.
I'm saying I'm fine. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay. The thing is, have you solved the homework? This question I'm repeating for the 10th time.
Sir, right now it's 6 something p.m., right? In here, like Saudi Arabia. And I came at around 5 o'clock at my house from outside. And then again around 5:30, I went outside and I came back just now. So, like, my school is going to, like, my school will open on September 1, I guess. Yes, September 1. Till then, I guess I won't be able to concentrate in class. But after that, I'll be back normal, like how I used to be, like around the journal and ledger classes, right? I'll be like that. But right now, I can't. It's like
Until
I can't
then,
have.
there is no benefit of giving you the homework and asking this question, like, have you solved the question? And until then, if we complete one or two topic, then how you cover those topics?
Uh, like I hope you'll be on casual for me.
Okay, so I have set to Kashika to solve question number 11, which is showing on the screen. So if you want to, you can solve the question. Because while solving the question, if you ask any doubt, then I will explain it so that you will be able to understand the topic, I think. So solve question number 11.
Uh, they're actually. Oh,
Yes.
can I tell what should I like? What should I write in particular?
In particular, you have to write according to format. Have you
The
written
same thing. Like,
have you written the format?
no, I'm like doing it, but uh, like I don't know to fill up how to fill up the particulars.
You have to write the transaction detail, but for that you have to decide either it should be added or deducted.
Oh, okay.
Hello, Kashika. You disconnected.
Yeah.
You are able to see the question?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. Is there any doubt while solving?
Yeah, I've completed it. But then at the last, I'll tell you what I've completed.
Okay.
First, in the particulars column, credit bank balance as per the passbook. That is the 10,000. And
Credit balance as per passbook.
yeah,
Yes, this is the
then
start.
under add, the third one, check not sent to bank, is 1,200. And the fourth one, insurance paid directly by bank, is 800 under add.
Okay.
And check recorded, that is 1,000. And
Can we go
bills
through serial wise?
dishonest. By?
By serial number, like the second number, what you have done
Yeah,
with
serial
second number?
number I should see. Second is fourth one, and third is sixth, and fourth is seventh.
Check deposited into bank, but no entry was passed in cash book. You have written this on the left side or add side?
No, less.
Less.
Yeah.
So second number is in the left side. Okay. Okay. Fine. So check deposited into bank, but no entry was passed in cash book. Abdullah, I'm explaining this for you only so that you can understand this portion. This one transaction I'm going to explain. So check deposited into bank. The business person record the transaction and bank also record the transaction. So in this portion, the bank reconciliation statement. Abdullah, are you listening?
Yes, sir, yes, I'm listening. But like, in the transaction, it was written no entry was passed in cash book, right?
Yes. So after completing this sentence, if you say that you had not listened the sentence, then I will not explain again.
Okay, okay. No, I'm listening. I'm listening.
Okay. So check deposited into bank, but no entry was passed in cash book. It means we have deposited the check into bank. So generally we record that in our cash book. Business person always record in cash book and bank record in passbook. So transaction is done by us. So we will record it in cash book and there will be no entry in passbook. But in this portion, it is clearly written that no entry was passed in cash book. It means in passbook it is recorded. So check deposited, it means passbook will increase. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So passbook will increase because bank has recorded the transaction, but there is no entry in cash book. So it should be added.
Okay.
Okay. It should be added in cash book. This is, sorry, this is the first solution that we can do. And the second solution is to make it equal. Either we have to increase the cash book or we have to decrease the passbook. There is these two methods we have. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this question, the starting point is passbook. So we can change only our passbook balance, not cash book. You cannot change
Yes.
the cash book. So we will decrease the passbook. That's why it is deducted. So it
Okay.
will be written in less side.
Okay.
So you have to do this in every transaction so that you can solve the question. Okay, Kashika. Uh, sorry, actually, I have to explain one transaction to him also
Yeah.
so that he can understand.
And
He missed so many classes. So check received and entered in cash book but not sent to bank. So you have written this in ad side, yes?
Yes.
Insurance premium paid directly by the bank
In ad.
in ad. Okay. Bank charge entered twice in the cash book. Now this is confusing one. Bank charge
Received.
entered twice in the cash book.
Then you should add.
Okay. Actually, bank charge should be recorded in passbook. Yes,
Yeah.
because it is transaction which is done by bank, not the business person. So generally it is deducted from passbook, so we have to add it. But in this question, it is clearly said that it is entered twice in cash. Means it is correctly written in passbook, but it is entered twice in cash book, means we have decreased our cash book balance. If you write any expenses two times in cash book, then your cash book will decrease. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So now we
Yeah.
have to decrease the passbook.
Okay, but then it's cash received, right? So
No,
the
no,
cash will.
bank charge, number fifth,
Okay. Bank charge.
20 rupees. Next is check received entered twice in cash book. Now, if check
This.
received entered twice in cash book, then your cash book will increase. So you have to increase your
Yeah.
passbook. Okay.
Yes.
And bill discounted, dishonored, not recorded in cash book.
That is an ad, right?
Not recorded in cash book. So you have added it. Cash book remains same and passbook. Okay. Passbook increase, bill discounted, dishonored. So can you tell me how you have written this in ad side? Yes.
Yeah, because it's deducted as the dishonor
Okay.
and it wasn't actually recorded in the cash book. So
Okay. If you discount a bill from bank, then the amount you receive. Yes.
yeah.
So it means it is increasing our passbook, but it is not recorded in cash book. It means cash book remains same.
Yeah. So then we can't less it also, then add it also, right?
And it is dishonored, so the passbook balance will decrease. Yes, your answer is correct. It is dishonored actually, so that's why it should be added. Because let us clear this. Bill discounted means when you have discounted the bill, money you received, but it is dishonored. So it means in your bank account, it will be automatically deducted again.
Okay.
Okay, so when you discount a bill from bank, it will credit the amount in your account. But when it is dishonored, then it will automatically debit the same amount in your account. So the bill discounted dishonored is recorded in cash book, means debited in passbook, but it is not recorded in cash book. It means deducted in passbook, but no recording in cash book. So we have to increase our passbook. So it should be added.
Okay.
Okay. So what is your balance?
Yeah, the balance I didn't get that. Like first we should add it, then subtract it. I didn't get that.
No, this is positive balance. So in
Yeah.
this, there is no issue like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Should I do it again?
No, you have written all the items, I think, correctly.
Yeah.
So let me, Abdullah, sir, whatever you guys are saying is just going above my head. I only understood the transaction which you explained me. Yes, Abdullah, you are not able to understand. I know that, but what I explained, you have to do the same thing with all the transaction. Then you'll understand. You just use your both hand to analyze the situation so that you'll understand. Either it will be added or deducted. Just try to do these things.
I did the balance. The adding, it's 8,000, and the subtracting thing is 520. So you should add the total, right? The 10,000 and
Okay.
8,000.
How much you got
Subtract it from
in add side?
8,000.
Okay. And subtract
520.
520. So you are
And the
getting
total is
17,480.
10,000. No, total is 10,000. So you should add that with 8,000.
Yes. Let me show.
1,000, 10,000.
Okay. So like this, there is 10,000 in the quotient. Yes. In the current quotient, it is 10,000. And after adding all the item, you are getting 8,000 here. Yes.
Yes.
So total will be 18,000 here. And on the less side, you are getting 520.
Yeah.
So if you deduct this, you'll get 17,480.
Okay.
So this is the solution. Any other confusion you have?
No.
Okay. So you understood the first part. I think, Abdullah, you are trying the question.
Um, I'm trying to like you know I'm trying to understand it. Like I'm doing it like in my mind kind of.
Just take the screenshot. Okay. Uh, there is one more question I have to share with you, that is of negative balance. So I'm sharing this question also of negative balance.
The what is like the negative balance is like overdraft, bank overdraft, right?
Yes, overdraft, bank overdraft.
Okay.
Just
So why
one.
is this so hard?
It is not hard, Abdullah. It is hard because you missed the classes.
Sir, I thought ledger would be hard, but like this thing is way too hard than ledger.
Any chapter that you study properly, there is no hard in that chapter. Think about it. Kashika is studying from one day. I think she joined class yesterday only. So she is able to solve the question. If it is so hard, I think she cannot solve these kind of question then. Yes or no?
Sir, what do I say? But like, okay, that would be, I guess, that would be kind of offensive if I say that. So I'm not saying. I mean, like, it would be kind of racist. So like, leave it.
What?
कुछ नहीं भूल जाइए कुछ नहीं nothing. I said nothing.
Okay, I'm sharing one more question here. It is a small one. It will be very easy for you to understand. So, Kashika, this is negative balance. Okay.
Okay.
You understood the negative balance concept in previous class?
I guess I don't know. I have to see the notes.
Okay. No, actually, there is nothing written in notes
Okay.
for negative balance. It is just the explanation part. Okay, here it is. Can you see the question?
Yes, I can see it. The 15th one.
15th one?
Oh, yeah. Okay, the 19th.
Yes, 19, 20, and 21. There is
Okay.
actually two questions. One is not complete. Question number 21, some part is on another page. So question number 20, I'm saying you to solve it. This is
Okay.
the negative balance question. So you have to remember that whatever your solution is, either add or deduct, you have to do just opposite of that.
Okay.
Should I explain it again? One
Yeah.
or two transactions so that you'll understand.
Yes.
Okay, Abdullah, stay focused because I'm explaining the negative balance portion and you have missed, so I think you'll understand. So from the following information, prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2019. So it is written bank overdraft as per passbook. It is negative balance. So it means debit balance as per passbook. So you'll write in the same format that we have discussed here. You can see here, it is written credit balance as per cash book, but you have to write here debit balance as per passbook.
Okay.
So bank overdraft. Now, the next one is check issued but not presented for payment. In this portion, all the transactions are very simple. It is not confusing. Complicated is not given in this one. That's why I have taken this question. Check issued but not presented for payment. So this is your cash book. This is your passbook. If you issue the check to someone to withdraw the money, then your cash book will decrease because you are issuing the check. So you will record it in cash book, not passbook. Transaction is not done by bank. So it will be recorded in cash book. So you have reduced your cash book balance because you have issued the check. Now, the starting point of the question is passbook, bank overdraft as per passbook. So to match with this balance, we have to decrease the passbook also. Yes.
Yes, sir. So like it will go on the left side.
So it should go on the left side, but this question is negative balance question.
Yes.
Okay, so you have to do just opposite of that. So in normal situation, it should be less, but in this question, it will be add.
To the cash book.
To calculate, we have to write it in the add side here.
No, it will be added to the cash book or passbook.
No, the balance which is given, like here, you have already written debit balance as per passbook. So You have to write this balance and then you have to add or less items in that. So balance as per passbook is given in the question. So you have to add in the passbook, not cash.
Okay.
Where is the question? Yes, this one. Understood, Kashika?
Yes, sir.
Something in chat. I was about to say that. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, yes, it is.
sir, I'm speaking facts, right?
Yes, it is fact. But if you focus on study, then there is no difference like this. Okay. So you have to do just opposite of whatever your answer is. So in first transaction, cash book is decreasing, so we have to decrease the passbook, but it is negative balance, so we have to add. Okay.
So, if we get like negative balance question, so like
Yes.
this opposite thing will be applied to all the transactions.
Yes, it will be applicable to all the transaction.
Okay, so if there is a transaction which I have to add, it will go on left side.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So now solve the question. Now I think you can solve the question, Abdullah, Kashika, both. If you are not able to solve the question, you can tell me. But both. So in
So
that
like
case, I will solve the question.
check deposited, this thing like it will be, what do you say? Check deposited is from like our side, right? Not from the bank side.
Obviously, check deposited means who will deposit the check? We.
Yes.
So if
So
we
we
are
like
deposit the check, then we
uh
will enter it in cash book.
okay. So like check deposited with bank, but but not collected. So we'll uh reduce it from the cash book, right?
When you deposit check, your bank balance will increase, not decrease. Deposit
What,
means you
can you
keep
repeat again?
your account.
So can you repeat? Yeah. No.
I'm saying that if you are depositing check, it means your in cash book balance or the passbook balance will increase. So
But like the money is going from our side, right?
why money is going from our side? Check deposited means you have received the check from someone and then you have deposited it in your bank.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
You told me in one of the previous class that uh, there is no charge like these. So you have uh, understood the concept of cash book, passbook, or bank statement. Yes,
There is no charge, right?
there is no charge of debit card or things in.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And I'm not lying. You know what? Just to prove it,
I'm not discussing that. I'm saying that you understand the concept of passbook or bank statement at that time. Yes or no?
not exactly. No,
But
sir, sir, I applied for a debit card today itself. Like for my dad, one more. And there's no charge, I swear.
okay, leave these topics, solve the question, then after completing the question, tell me the answer, tell me how you solve it. After that, we'll discuss anything else. Okay, so don't waste time, solve the question.
Oh.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
I just wanted to confirm one thing. Like for this one, the third transaction which we discussed before, like these check deposited rate with bank but not correct. So that our cash book will increase, right?
Yes,
Our
cash book increase.
uh, yeah. So like, but as you said, we have to do opposite, right? Because of negative balance. So the transaction will be recorded on the less side, right? So on the less amount.
Yes. But the solution is in three steps, not two steps. Okay. So if the transaction is check deposited with bank but not collected, so the first is what was the impact? The first step, what was the impact? It means your cash book increased. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The second is where you have to make change. So you have to make change in passbook because we are starting with passbook. Yes.
Yes.
So to equate with the balance of cash book, you have to increase the passbook also. This is the second step.
Yes.
Okay. And the third step is negative balance. So you have to increase the passbook due to negative balance. You have to decrease it. So on the left side.
Okay. So this
Understood?
is like, very complicated.
No, it is not complicated. Just try to solve some question, then you will understand it is complicated or not. Before solving any question, you have not solved a single question. Okay, so don't judge things like this. Okay, if you, I told you many times that don't say these words. These are not the correct way to do things. Okay. So if you solve 5 to 10 questions at least, then only you have right to say that this is complicated, this is tough. Okay.
Okay. So like,
So at least solve the 5 to 10 question first. Then if you think it is difficult, then you can say that. Otherwise, don't say these lines again.
but like, I must be able to know how to solve the question, right? That's the thing.
Yes, that's why I'm saying to you, just try the question after reading the theory part.
Okay.
Yes, Kashika, have you solved the question?
Yeah, I have written the add and less.
Okay, but you have not calculated the total
No.
at in the
No.
end. So do it and tell me your answer.
Okay.
The check entered in cash book, like our cash book will increase, right?
Yes.
So like it will be on the left side, right?
Can you explain in 3 steps?
Check. Right. Check. First, you said like first is the impact, right?
Yes. So
So
in impact, you have to tell me which book is affected by this transaction and how it is affected, either increase or decrease. So this is the first step.
okay. Thank you. Uh, so by this transaction, our like the impact will be on the cash book as uh check entered in cash book, so it increases our cash book amount.
Very good.
And the second one, I said, I guess I didn't hear you properly. I think you said equate, right?
Second one is you have to equate the balance.
Okay. So for equating, like as the passbook and cash book are same right now, but after the transaction, our cash book is increasing. But like
Our cash book increased due to the transaction. So to equate with this, we have to increase our passbook also.
wait. Can you repeat again?
To equate with the balance of cash book, we have to increase our passbook also.
I was about to say that. Okay, sorry. So cash book has increased. So like to equate it, we have to increase our passbook also. Uh, then the third step, I guess, is
Increase
negative
our
balance.
पासबुक का मतलब हुआ कि ऐड करना है.
Yes. But due to the third step, negative balance, so the transaction like will be affected like on the opposite side, I guess, right? So instead of increasing, we'll have to decrease.
Yes.
Like, can you tell me like one thing? Our cash book has been increased, but like the transaction will be opposite due to negative balance. So like, what will like if I will, for example, if I'm actually doing the question, then like what will I have to like decrease, the cash book or the passbook?
Which balance you're using?
Like our cash book has been increased, right?
In the
So
quotient, it is passbook balance. Yes.
yeah,
So your
to
passbook will
equate,
decrease.
no, wait, sir. In this transaction, our cash book has been increased. To equate the amount with the cash book, our passbook will have to be also increased, right? But due to negative balance, we have to do the opposite of that. So instead of increasing the passbook, like we have to decrease the passbook, right?
Yes. So decrease
But
the passbook. Decrease the
yeah,
passbook. You are saying that. So it means passbook is decreasing. You have to
yeah,
less.
decrease the passbook. But if our cash book has been increased and then our passbook is decreasing, then how will the amount equate?
How will the amount equate?
Yeah, like wouldn't be there a difference?
Okay. Think about it. This is the negative balance quotient. So let's say there is 10,000 negative in cash book, 10,000 negative in passbook. Yes.
Okay.
So increasing in passbook, if the amount transaction amount is 5,000, increasing the cash book means actually this. So it becomes from 10,000 to 5,000. So it is increasing, but to show this, you can see it is decreasing actually. So when you add something which is already negative, then your solution is also minus, not plus.
Okay, no.
If I say to you that you have a amount of 20,000 minus negative 20,000, and if I tell you to add something in this, like plus 10,000, tell me the
So it
amount.
will be minus 10,000.
Yes, so it will be minus 10,000. So to add this, it should be 30,000. Yes or no?
Yes,
But what's happening here?
it becomes okay.
So minus plus becomes minus. So that's why.
Okay. So it
Okay.
is in
Uh, uh, yes, your question is still.
it is increasing, but we show it as decrease, right? Something like that.
Yes. Okay, Kashika, have you completed?
Yeah, I have done the addition and the subtraction. Then afterwards,
What is the balance?
yeah, the balance. That's what I'm doing.
So can you tell the last transaction, like directly deposited to bank by customer, and in,
Yes,
like cash or check?
one customer has deposited money or check directly into your account in your bank account. So you have no information about this.
So like uh bank account, right? So like our passbook will increase, right?
Yes,
Okay. So to equate this, like we have to increase our cash push, right?
we
No,
have
no,
to
no.
decrease our
The-
passbook.
Yeah, we have to decrease our passbook because we started from passbook. Yes. So wait, have to- we have to decrease our passbook, but due to negative balance, we will add this.
That's great.
So
Yes, Kashika.
I feel like I will.
Solve the question first, then tell me it is hard or easy.
No, like how how
No,
did you
solve
guys
the
went
question
through
first.
this?
Don't discuss these things. Solve the question first. Kashika,
Yeah, the addition is 2,000, 28,700. The statement, should I say?
20,500.
700.
Okay, 20,700 and
And the less is 38,000.
38,000. It should be 34,000, I think.
36,000. 4.
Yes.
Okay, wait.
You have problem in calculation.
No, what?
Yes. It is 34,000, 25,000 plus 9,000. It is 34.
Oh, I took it as 11,000. 9,000 is in the add thing, right? And 11,000 is in the less.
So if it is 11,000, 25 and 11, then it will be 36.
Yeah, 36.
And if you have written on the ad side, sorry, yes, on the ad side 19,700 and 9,000, then it should be 28,700, not
Yeah.
30,700.
No, that's what I said. In addition, it's 28,700. And in the less, it's 36,000.
Then I think it is incorrect.
Okay.
Think about it. Let me tell you the first one. Check issued but not presented for payment. So check issued means you have decreased your cash book. Yes.
Yeah.
And now you have to decrease your passbook also. But due to negative balance, you have to add it. So 19,700 will go to add side.
Yeah.
So it should be added. Now, check deposited with bank but not collected. Again, you have deposited the check. It means you have increased your cash book. Yes.
Yeah.
Now you have to increase your passbook also.
We should less it, right?
Yes, we should less it. So it is less. Again, check entered in cash book but not banked. This is the same thing. Check deposited with bank but not collected. Like you have entered check into cash book means you have increased your cash book balance. Yes.
Yeah.
And now you have to increase your passbook balance also. But due to negative balance, you have to decrease it, means less.
Okay.
So these two are less. And direct deposit by customer, it means passbook increased. We have to decrease the passbook, but due to
9,000 is in add side, right? Check
yes,
entered in cash book, not but not
this
in
is
bank.
negative. We have to deduct it 9,000.
Okay.
Okay, can you explain why you have written it on the debit side? Sorry, add side. Ashika?
Because it's not deposited in the bank and they are not in the passbook yet.
Yes, so it means cash book increased.
Yeah, so we should increase the passbook too.
So increase the passbook too, but negative